Hello everyone, you're watching cryptoTV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, leading you into the world of digital currencies, and here are the headlines. India's IT minister says there is no ban on owning crypto. Amitabh Bachchan pays over 1 crore GST on NFT sale after notice. Cryptocurrencies trade mixed, Bitcoin near $42,000. Chip supplier Qualcomm creates $100 million Metaverse investment fund. Thailand to ban crypto as a payment method from April. FTX acquires Storybook Brawl game developer. Volvo's parent company sets up blockchain joint venture in China. Stablecoin Cashio on Solana exploited for $28 million. El Salvador postpones Bitcoin bond due to unfavorable crypto market. Union Minister of State for Electronics and Information Technology Rajiv Chandrasekhar said that there is no ban on owning crypto assets in the country. There is clearly a recognition that the digital virtual asset is a category of assets going forward, whether it's an NFT or crypto or even something else in the future, Chandrasekhar said. Referring to purchase of crypto assets overseas, the minister clarified that since there are restrictions on how an individual can use the rupee to buy non-rupee assets, the Liberalized Remittances Scheme or LRS is the only option to invest in any asset. Under the LRS scheme, there is no disqualification from anybody owning a crypto asset as part of his portfolio of assets, the minister said. Commenting on the steep tax rate slapped on crypto, Chandrasekhar said that in anything that is unknown or less understood, usually, the instinct is to tax it at a higher rate. As people become comfortable with it, those tax rates obviously moderate, the minister said. Bollywood superstar Amitabh Bachchan, whose non-fungible tokens are featured on BeyondLive.club, an NFT marketplace, has paid around 1.09 crores in taxes after authorities sent a notice, reports said. The Hyderabad division of India's Directorate General of Goods and Services Tax Intelligence was investigating the platform and found discrepancies. After a follow-up notice was sent, Bachchan paid the tax due on the sale of NFTs worth around Rs 7.15 crores in an auction in November last year, according to media reports. The DGGI is likely to continue its investigation into tax evasion despite Big B depositing the amount, a report said, citing sources. Bachchan, one of the first actors to endorse NFTs, had entered into a deal with Rithi Entertainment to convert his content into digital assets. Cryptocurrencies traded mixed amid expectations that Federal Reserve rate hikes will not derail the strong momentum of the world's biggest economy, though investors remained wary over uncertain geopolitical conditions and firm crude oil prices. Most Asian stocks traded higher, while US stock futures indicated to a mixed opening later today. Investors were adding riskier assets to their portfolio as hedge against spiraling inflation. Geopolitical situation continued to remain uncertain, with no signs of an end to the Russia assault on Ukraine peace talks. The United Nations on Wednesday will take up 3 resolutions on the worsening humanitarian situation in Ukraine. Bitcoin traded around $42,100, down 0.7% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, retracted from a 3-week high to trade around $2,900, down nearly 2% in the same time frame. San Diego-based chip supplier Qualcomm is launching a $100 million investment fund intended to support companies building out the metaverse using augmented reality, mixed reality, or virtual reality. Qualcomm hopes to broaden the market for its chips through this new Snapdragon Metaverse Fund. Qualcomm already provides chips for virtual reality headsets and has secured a partnership with Microsoft for creating chips designed for augmented reality, generating 17% of its $10.7 billion revenue from selling chips related to the Metaverse. The fund will begin accepting applications in June. Thailand's Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC announced that it is banning the use of cryptocurrencies as a means of payment for goods and services from April 1st. The SEC added that crypto operators that provide payment services must stop doing so within 30 days from the effective date of new rules. However, it clarified that the new rules won't affect trading or investment in cryptocurrencies. The decision comes 2 months after the SEC, the Bank of Thailand, and the country's Minister of Finance jointly said that they plan to ban crypto for payment to avoid financial stability and economic system risks. West Realm Shires Inc., the owner of cryptocurrency exchange FTX US, has acquired Good Luck Games, creator of the popular upcoming card auto battle game Storybook Brawl. Following the acquisition, Good Luck Games will be integrated into FTX Gaming. Storybook Brawl is a light-hearted card-based auto battler game featuring characters from beloved fairy tales and myths. The game's wide variety of cards offer opportunities for deep strategies and accommodates different play styles. Storybook Brawl will be showcased in the FTX booth at this week's Game Developers Conference in San Francisco. The game is currently in early access on Steam, with the mobile version likely to launch soon. Privacy blockchain Concordium and Geely Holding, a Chinese multinational automotive car company that owns brands such as Volvo, announced the creation of a joint blockchain venture in China. The project aims to develop blockchain technologies and improve blockchain standards, mainly in the automotive industry. Geely Holding has created a digital technology sector, or DTS, subsidiary to invest in cutting-edge technologies, including blockchain. Moreover, the two entities plan to offer businesses and customer access to new blockchain platform-based business models and decentralized applications. DTS has already developed blockchain services such as digital asset management platform and a blockchain traceability platform and deployed into Geely's automotive products. Concordium is a blockchain integrating both privacy with accountability through its ID layer. Cashio Dollar or Cash, an algorithmic stablecoin backed by USDT, USDC, LP tokens on the Solana blockchain, has been exploited for $28 million and lost practically all of its value because of infinite mint glitch. The exploit happened shortly after 9 a.m. UTC. According to data tracking site DeFi Llama, the total value locked within the protocol fell from $28.87 million to $569,000. At the same time, the price of the stablecoin dropped from $1 to practically zero, as per data tracking site CoinGecko. An infinite mint glitch is where a protocol is mistakenly designed in such a way that allows a user to mint as many tokens as they would like, typically without providing any collateral that might otherwise be needed. Once someone can mint infinite tokens, they can sell them on the market, crushing a token's price. Cashio team said that they are investigating the issue and asked people to withdraw their funds from pools. That's all for the bulletin of this hour. Keep watching cryptoTV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, signing off.